Are you ready to unlock the gateway to a rewarding career in the dynamic world of IT? If so, then ServiceNow is your ticket to success. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses rely heavily on efficient and streamlined processes to stay ahead of the curve. And that's where ServiceNow comes in. From IT service management to HR and customer service, ServiceNow offers a comprehensive suite of tools to automate and streamline business processes across the board. But why should you invest your time in learning ServiceNow? Well, let me tell you. Firstly, ServiceNow skills are in high demand. As businesses increasingly adopt digital transformation, the need for skilled ServiceNow professionals continues to grow exponentially. Secondly, ServiceNow offers lucrative career opportunities. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, mastering ServiceNow can open doors to a wide range of job roles. Thirdly, ServiceNow is versatile. Its applications span across various industries, including healthcare, finance, and more. Moreover, learning ServiceNow is not just about landing a job, it's about future-proofing your career. As technology evolves, so does the demand for professionals who can harness the power of platforms like ServiceNow to drive innovation and efficiency within organizations. Additionally, I'm thrilled to introduce you to GURUSCHOOls. GURUSCHOOls stands ready to provide unparalleled support through our 6 foundational pillars: instructor-led training, certification, resume preparation, vendor and client interview preparation assistance, and project support. Embark on your journey as a ServiceNow developer with confidence, knowing that GURUSCHOOls offers these essential resources at absolutely no cost to you. To take advantage of this exclusive offer and enroll in our programs, please visit www.guruschools.com.